What are you doing, Felix?
Checking for scratches.
Welcome to the Blue Lagoon. Number 3. There's multiple lagoons around here. You saw that drive, absolutely reckless. But we're at this lagoon now. I didn't know what to expect, but look at it. It's pretty cool.
I can't unclip my helmet.
I think it's hold on, man. Oh, you took that one that was like broken. Yeah, I can't unclip it either, bro.
You're stuck.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, comment down below, let me know what you think, and make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're new around here. This place is amazing, and we came here very early. It's just past 9 AM, so we got up at 6:30, had breakfast, and kind of made our way out here. Alex discovered the place, so fair play, boy. A good find. And if we don't go tubing in the river, we can go tubing here. Woo! Tubing Vang Vieng 2018, baby! So the Koreans have joined, as you can see, and they've come in their numbers too, because Vang Vieng seems to be a big Korean holiday spot. Everything in restaurants is written in Korean, and they're everywhere. Time to attempt the double backflip for the 4th time.
Is it 4th or 3rd?
I don't know, but you're
3rd time's the charm.
It's there. R.I.P. GoPro, you better find it. Oh no.
Wait, I can't go like too often because it gets muddy.
Okay, hold on. Is it muddy down there?
Yeah.
It's a bit more this way. Come to me. Oh my god, I'm saying my prayers that he finds my GoPro now. I'm saying my prayers. How deep is it?
It's not deep, but if I had goggles it would be way easier.
Okay, so they let me some goggles inside. We've been 5 minutes at it now. Hopefully I'll find it now.
I literally dived straight down and found it.
Avicii, you were sitting there for the whole ordeal. How was it?
Yeah, good. Good entertainment.
Look at the amount of people here now, like taking selfies with their selfie sticks, you know, just enjoying life. No problem, no problem. 11 AM, I think we're finishing up here now because it's getting very busy, and we've also been here for about 3 hours, so we've had enough. So heading back to Vang Vieng now. Okay, so back in Vang Vieng, just had lunch, and now we're heading to Vientiane. So didn't do any tubing, but to be honest, didn't really want to anyway. Did we miss out? don't really care. But if you're going to that Blue Lagoon, go early in the morning, go to Blue Lagoon number 3. You'll have the place to yourself for about an hour before anyone else shows up, and it is a lot of fun. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment down below, let me know your thought, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. See you real soon. Anything to add, boys? Anything to add?
Oh, it's been a good day.
Been a good day.